Hello friends, this video on synthetic fibers and plastics part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now let us talk about the fourth type of synthetic fiber, that is acrylic. So acrylic is again a synthetic fiber and it resembles wool. So like how you have the artificial silk or rayon which resembles silk, in a similar way acrylic resembles wool. So now the pure wool, the natural wool, is again very expensive. So this acrylic gives the appearance of wool, but at the same time it is less expensive. So let us see how do we prepare acrylic. So it is also a polymer. So it is prepared from polyacrylonitrile by polymerization reaction. So basically when you talk about acrylic production, so again acrylic is nothing but it is also a polymer, and polymer is produced by the process of polymerization. So which is the monomer involved here? The monomer involved here is polyacrylonitrile. So basically this is a polymer which contains about 900 monomer units. So just imagine how big the number is. So some 900 monomer units together form this acrylic called polyacrylonitrile. So what happens is, this is how polyacrylonitrile looks like. So you see it is a polymer, and this polymer has 1900 monomer units which are joined together by bonds. So this polyacrylonitrile is dissolved in a solvent, and then the filaments are forced out to come through this multi-hole spinneret. So as you can see, this is the spinneret. So the filaments which come out of it, they are in viscous form, and then they are solidified finally to form acrylic. So from these filaments we get acrylic. So this is the polymer from which we actually form acrylic, that is polyacrylonitrile. And what are the solvents that are used in this process? Some of the solvents are like sodium thiocyanate or dimethyl formamide. These are some of the solvents which are used for preparation of acrylic. So advantages of acrylic are that it is light, soft and warm. Since it is warm, therefore it can act as a substitute of wool to prepare woolen clothes for winters. Cheap and durable clothes. Now even though it is less expensive when compared to natural wool, but at the same time it is quite durable. Sweaters, tracksuits, fabrics, carpets, these are all prepared from acrylic. Now acrylic also gives appearance of glass. Now there are many different types of acrylic that can be produced. Now some of these acrylics are also used to prepare lenses. Now since they give appearance of glass, it is also chosen due to its high impact and low weight. So mirrored finish can be given to acrylic sheet, and that's how it is also used for making a lot of stuffs where in a lot of areas where you need glass. So instead of using glass, what you use is acrylic. So if you see this acrylic fiber, the same fiber can be woven to form the wool-like material, and the same fiber can again be solidified to form a glass-like structure. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.